why I've been going empty here. But I'm gonna show you the wig. I'm about to, you know, take a shower, wash my hair. I just took off the new Vessel wig, so I'm gonna take a shower and wash my hair, my braids. And this is the hair. I just dyed it jet black. I'm gonna show a tutorial. Well, I'm gonna show a little bit of what I did to dye the hair. I put it in a bag. It's a video on YouTube that she shows like everything how she dyes her extension in a plastic bag. It's so easy, and it's not, you know, you don't have to get all this black dye on anything. But this is the hair after I dyed it, sewed it on the cap. So pretty. I actually dyed the hair 2 times because I messed up the first time because I didn't leave the dye on long enough, and I only used 1 freaking box of dye. So I had to go buy like 2 more because it's 3 bundles. I don't know why I only used 1 box. I don't know why I just bought 1 box. So I dyed the hair jet black 2 times. Washed the hair already like 5 times. I'm going to show you how I cut my wig cap. See the little bitty space I leave? I don't leave that much space when I make my wigs. So I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle. You can see that. And it leaves a little net so that I can sew in between the net and not the weft when I sew this onto my braids. So it looks more like this. I'm probably gonna make the part a little longer though. I made it too short. I like my parts long. I like it like at least like right here. I don't know. So this is how it will look. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be back. It's pretty. Can't wait to see jet black. Oh, I miss jet black. Always have color. See? This is how it look. Brazilian. finished installing my Genesis. The hair I got, that was received from Genesis Version Hair. Okay, she sent me this hair to review, so I colored it jet black. This is how it looked, the finished results. It was easy blending the hair. Let's see how it look. I put a little bit of olive oil edge control on my leave out, just a little bit. I didn't put that much. The hair is really pretty. I washed this hair like 5 times already because I dyed it twice, because the first time I dyed it, I messed up. It was my fault. And then, so I dyed it again in jet black, and this is it. 22 inches on the bottom, 18 inches, 2 inches on the top. So altogether I have 3 bundles in my head. It came brown, but I dyed it. It is pretty. Wavy, Brazilian wavy hair. It's really soft, the texture, and the texture is kind of it's textured hair. It looks like, on the bottom, it looks like my hair when it's pressed, with a little wave to it. So it's not silky like hair. It looks shiny like this because of the dye I used. It was called shiny black or something like that. So it's really pretty shine, that dye, nice shine to it. So this is Brazilian wavy again, because I know somebody's gonna ask. And then I got it from genesisindianhair.com. She sent me this hair to review. So I'd like to thank her again for sending me this beautiful hair. I'm gonna do an update, of course. I'm gonna do a full review after I'm done wearing the hair. I'm gonna do weekly updates on the hair. And that is all. How much time we got left? Okay. That is all. Take a look at the hair again. It has a lot of body. Oh, what I washed the hair with. I washed it with Curls and Waves shampoo from Herbal Essence. Excuse my nails, please. Okay. And dry to moisturize conditioner. And there you go. GenesisHair.com. They have their website up. Check them out. I think she have a sale going on. She has a YouTube page also. I'm going to put it on the bottom. So 22 inches on the bottom, 18 inches on the top. And I will talk to you guys later. Loving it. Bye.